My name is Monica Victoria. I am 37 years old. I live in the Cerrito Valle del Cauca. I study food engineering using present perfect continuous. Answer the following question. He began working for the same company for more than 5 years. Where have you been working? I have been working in the same company for 5 years. I have been working in the Social Fomento Foundation. Have you been doing exercise in the last year? What kind of exercise do you? Yes, I've been exercising for the last year. I've been doing sit-ups, squats. Using the topic fashion verbs, compare each sentence with the correct fashion verb. I'm going the drive of drinking beer on so fat that on Queen seat my favorite Nemo. Rafa started quit of photography. Has bought one of the latest and most expressive digital cameras. I don't know what my wife endured of me. I drink too much. I'm mad bad husband and a terrible person to live with. If do spirit will all the train. Express the sentence having it made the tag repeated speech. Sarah asks, are you busy tonight? Sarah asks, had we been busy tonight? I am working in hospital, she said. I've been working in the hospital, she said. We made cooked dinner last night, he said. We had been making a big dinner in INGLES3. Thank you.